My name is Jenna Pilant, and I'm a style-crazed full-time creative living in sunny San Diego. In 2016, my husband and I purchased our forever home, and now, in between balancing my upholstery business, our 4 dogs, and just life in general, I'm going to renovate our home room by room, project by project myself, with some fun help from a few of my friends along the way. And I'm going to share it all with you right here on YouTube. So, are you ready to see a room bloom?
Greetings and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before I start demoing our house, I'm going to take you on a quick tour of the space so you can see firsthand what it looks like before I start working my magic. And I hope you're ready, y'all, because we've got a lot of house to cover in a small amount of time. Let's get started. Sorry about the dog. It's a crazy household here sometimes. Come on in. Welcome to our home. To be completely honest, I wasn't impressed with this house when Dee first showed it to me online. But as soon as I walked through the front door and saw the atrium, I knew Jenna was home. On to the formal living room. I know what you're thinking. We don't have any furniture in here, and I'm an upholstery artist. What the heck? But you know, this is just a space we haven't really considered what to do with yet. This is the bar. It's a pretty cool feature in this house, even though my husband and I, neither one of us are big drinkers. Oh well. On to the master where the magic happens. As you can see by the carpet and the paint on the walls throughout, the former couple loved neutrals. I'm definitely going to rainbow things up a bit. And then through this door directly behind me is our master closet and bathroom. My husband and I immediately fell in love with this space because we're both clothes horses, as you can see. The master closet and bathroom will be by far the biggest project you'll see me design and complete here on Room Bloom. Then directly outside the master bathroom is the pool, which is another great feature of this house because you can jump in the pool, have nice little relaxing day, and then jump right into your master bathroom and shower off. This is also a space in need of some major bright colors. This is the outdoor eating area. I plan eventually building an L-shaped bar right here. And then there's another entrance right into our home. And the laundry room. One of the poorest designed features in our home. I definitely have some creative ways in my head to fix this, but that is going to be one big project. Now on to my office, which is the most Jenna-tastic room in this house thus far, and is a good indicator on what to expect throughout the rest of our home. This entire wood built in was stained and varnished, painted this bright, beautiful, vibrant yellow. And then we've got the pool bathroom for our guests, which is a good feature in the home because we try to encourage no peeing in the pool. And you know, our guests can shower in here. We've got a bunch of beach towels in the closet. The one thing I just don't get is every single bathroom in this home has wallpaper on the walls. And moisture and paper just doesn't mix, y'all, right? Now that we're done with the office, on to the guest room, which is kind of our catch-all for items that we don't really know what to do with yet, or projects we're working on. My husband's working on some shadow boxes with his Kansas City Royals memorabilia. We got some mirrors here that need to be hung throughout the house. And if you want to follow me, more closet space and a bathroom, which again, wallpaper. And they put carpet throughout the bathroom, which to me is just breeding ground for filth. Head on back outside, little doggies. Okay. More backyard space. So you can see we have lots and lots of landscaping to do. We also plan on putting a 6-foot fence around the back retaining wall. This is our greenhouse, and it will eventually be just that, a greenhouse. But until then, it's kind of a junkyard. Don't judge. Now on on to the garage, aka Homebird Upholstery Studio. But before I jump into my small business, we're gonna head on into the basement. Yes, you heard me correctly. We have a basement. A home in California actually has a basement. We use this for holiday decoration storage and vintage furniture storage, the chairs and stuff I have picked up over the years, and is also the location of our home yoga studio. Okay, let's head back upstairs. This is where I spend a good chunk of my work week, in my upholstery studio, recovering vintage furniture for clients and to resell on Etsy. Fabric rack. This is my sewing room. Fun little space. And this leads us back into the house, into our family room, where you can find us any old evening sitting on the couch, chillaxing with our fur babies, binge watching some Netflix. And directly off of the family room is the kitchen. This giant, beautiful, wide open space with this very large, oversized island. And then anything I cook in the kitchen, we will proudly eat here in the dining room area. And that's pretty much it. That's our home tour, y'all. Now I gotta get to work, so you gotta skedaddle, get out of here. Seriously, we need to leave. Go! I got some work to do. I hope you've enjoyed this quick tour of our home in its current condition. Tune in next week when I reveal which room in the house I'm starting with first. And feel free to guess in the comments below. I triple dog dare ya.